Our region has a growing problem with elder abuse. In fact, the Washington State Department of Social and Health Services reports over the last 5 years, adult abuse investigations have nearly doubled. Working for your safety tonight, Hawk Hammer explains what to look for if you're worried about a loved one. Hawk?
Well, a critical thing to understand here, Nadine, when it comes to those investigations, abuse doesn't only mean physical, it can also mean financial exploitation.
Isolationism and loneliness.
The reasons behind it are many, as are the types of abuse when it comes to what makes adults, especially the elderly, at risk. Ask Dan English, the head of the Area Agency on Aging in North Idaho. He'll tell you he's seen the spread, especially when it comes to money.
Yeah, unfortunately, the financial exploitation is an area that is really kind of growing.
A few bucks, a few $100, a few tens of thousands of bucks. It's all a reality for folks he's worked with. Most of the reports that kick off an investigation coming from family members or the banks themselves.
Might be a teller that says all of a sudden, I've got this person who, coming in multiple times and cashing checks for cash, and maybe somebody sitting out in the car.
There are other telltale signs that you or a loved one might be getting taken advantage of. If there are all of a sudden co-signers on a bank account or on credit cards, funds are going missing, bills are unpaid despite the ability to pay them. Another one, sudden transfers of money to a single family member or non-relative. But all too common, another kind of abuse. Physical abuse. It could be a family member at wit's end or a caretaker. That could be either at home or in a facility. Both wrong, both need to be reported, says English.
If in doubt, check it out.
The signs to watch out for when it comes to physical abuse: suspicious or unexplained bruising or weight loss, a change in personality, hygiene neglect, or just giving up on being social. And we have more numbers you can call on KXLY.com if you or a loved one might be a victim. English says it's better to be safe than sorry. He wants the awareness out there, especially as populations age. Nadine?
All right, thank you so much, Hawk.